The previous tutorial shocked you, right? But in this new tutorial, I will show you how to be the master of your own prompt without ChatGPT to generate any studio photoshoot pose and style, all for free. Please subscribe to our channels. Please, I'm begging you. Please.
Alright, this is Beloved. Welcome back again to Beloved Technology. In my previous tutorial, I was teaching you and showing you how you can get image of any style that you like, a studio style image that you like. So if you have not watched that tutorial on that, please go and watch it on my YouTube channel. But in this tutorial, what I want to be explaining is how you can get any prompt, any image you want and it will not change your face, and then also without going to ChatGPT, because we actually get our prompts from ChatGPT to get this and this result. We got this prompt from ChatGPT and this is the image. But for this tutorial, we are not dwelling on that. We want to be able to train ourselves how we can just easily instruct Nano Banana to give us what we want without going to ChatGPT all the time, because ChatGPT always expires after 3 images you have uploaded. Go and watch this tutorial, you will be able to get quality. Just go and watch it. If you have not watched it, go and watch it. So I'm going to be creating a new shot. Then now the rules is still the same. We are going to click on this, and then don't forget, the most important thing is that your face must show very well, especially the front face, not side face, not the profile, but the front face. So this is my face here. I've already cropped it. Then I want to generate a photo studio shoot. So how do you instruct? First, you need to lock up your face. And how do you lock up? You can just instruct Nano Banana directly that lock this face, or you can just simply say use the uploaded image. This alone has already locked your face. Do you understand? But if you want to be very certain, because Nano Banana is funny sometimes, you need to put a negative prompt. That is, you tell Nano Banana what you don't want. Do you understand now? Like, do not change the face. Do you understand now? That already tell Nano Banana that nothing must be altered in this. Either you can use do not change the face, you can use do not alter the face. You don't, but the word use the uploaded image has already locked your face. Like, you can say use the uploaded image as facial reference. Yes, exactly, as facial reference. Do not change the face. As already tell ChatGPT that use this one as reference and do not change the face, no matter the condition. If you must change the face, then don't generate it for me. So do not change the face. Has already locked that face. Now you're going to tell it what you need now. Generate a studio photo shoot. Do you understand? Generate a studio photo shoot. Now if you have a posture in mind, you can now describe the posture. If you also know the keyword for camera angles, lighting, you can also describe the camera angle you want and lighting. But for me, I can't cram all those camera angles. That is why we always go to ChatGPT to get prompt. But in case you don't, maybe you have exhausted your ChatGPT and you can't upload image to get the exact style for all those ones, so you can just guess the style you want for that photo shoot. Do you understand now? So generate a studio photo shoot. Do you understand? You can now describe the posture you want. For me, I can just say the posture, a studio photo shoot, poses is hand folded as while is stand as a professional tech guy with proper studio lightning. What else can we add to it again? Proper studio lightning. So if you have any description in mind, you can describe. Maybe you should laugh, maybe you should smile, maybe you should talk. No, this is photo rather. So any style you need, you can describe it. But the most important thing is that you have already said use the uploaded image as facial reference. That will not change your face. So if you now have any description in mind, you can now describe it. You can also add negative prompt. Negative prompt will give Nano Banana limitation not to do what you don't want in that photo. So with this prompt, all these ideas is very simple. Lock your face, describe the prompt, and put negative prompt there. So, but if you don't want to go through this, then you need to upload, you need to tell ChatGPT. Now you go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, I want to get a studio style photo and I want to generate it with Nano Banana. So give me prompt. So ChatGPT will give you prompt. All this prompt will be given to you, but in case you don't know what, you can just tell ChatGPT even without uploading any image what you want, and ChatGPT will give you that prompt you need. But if you don't want to go to ChatGPT, just use this keyword. Use the uploaded image as facial reference. Do not change the face. Generate a studio photo shoot. A stand folded while a stand as a professional tech guy with proper studio lighting. So I'm going to send it now. Let's see the results. Let's see the result of what we are going to get now. All right. So as you can see, we have got our photo already with proper lighting. If I want spec, I put spec. If I want any style, I put spec. Now, do you see that it's almost similar to the ones I've generated before? So that is to tell you that the most important part is to lock your face and then to tell ChatGPT what you want. Do you understand that? So it's very easy to get your photo with Nano Banana, and Nano Banana has many image generation than ChatGPT. That's why you need to learn how to use Nano Banana to your advantage without going to ChatGPT all the time. So even without uploading your photo, if you watch my previous tutorial, even without uploading your photo to ChatGPT, you can just ask ChatGPT directly that ChatGPT, I want to generate a photo, a studio photo shoot of, just give me prompt to generate a studio photo shoot image with any style. You can just tell it and it will give you the proper prompt. But if you don't want to go through all the stress, you can instruct Nano Banana to do it for you directly. So that is how you can generate AI photo of yourself, a professional studio AI photo of yourself without changing your facial expression. So that is just that about that. In the next tutorial, there is still more of it. So I'll be teaching you more on this image generation with AI. So thank you for watching this tutorial once again. My name is Paul Victor and this is Beloved Technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, and follow us for more. Thank you.